Welcome to our exciting and educational video on spelling words with the letter R. Get ready to explore a world of words that begin with the letter R and learn how to spell them with ease. Let's start with an easy word. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Great job! Can you spell it with us? Next, we have robot. R-O-B-O-T. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. Excellent! Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Keep up the good work. For our next word, we have rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Amazing job! Next up, we have raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Wow, you're doing great! Let's keep going with some more challenging words. Restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. Great work! Reptile. R-E-P-T-I-L-E. Well done! And for our next set of words, we have rhythm. R-H-Y-T-H-M. Excellent job! Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Keep it up! Now, let's tackle some really challenging words. Resilience. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-C-E. Amazing! Radiant. R-A-D-I-A-N-T. You're doing fantastic! And for our final words, we have reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Great job! And lastly, recipe. R-E-C-I-P-E. You did it! We hope you had a blast learning to spell these words with the letter R. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.